Sitting elbow abduction, adduction. So started off in the seated position. She's on the edge of her chair, creating a nice arch in her low back, really getting a little extension in her thoracic spine. This brings the ear, the shoulder, and the hip in alignment, so you're loaded on these joints. From the front view, the ankle, the knee, the hip, and the shoulder are in alignment. This gives us the space we want down here, and we have a series of 90-degree angles. So she's going to go ahead and tuck her fingertips into the pads of her head, bringing the knuckles to the temples, and this is your pivot point. And so she's going to bring her elbows together, and so we don't have anything between the knees at this point, and then she's going to go ahead and pull her elbows far apart, squeezing those scapulas down and together. So this is repositioning the scapulas and really working the shoulders, and then you're going to bring them back together and back apart. So when she comes back, notice she's getting more thoracic extension. You can feel it back here, and you can see it in the chest, and more lumbar extension too. And together and back. Now, depending on what your practitioner, if you're trying to do encourage any pelvic stabilization, we can add a block to between the knees, just between same distance as what we had. And then she's going to engage into that block with about 30% of her muscle strength. And we're encouraging pelvic stabilization through the adductors at this point. And then she would just hold that pressure there while she does the recommended reps. If the practitioner recommends it, still maintaining the same exercise, we're going to put a strap, yoga strap, just above the knees. And again, keeping that ankle, knee, hip, shoulder alignment. She's going to pull out against the strap and then continue the exercises. Really feeling that extension, getting a little flexion there, and bigger extension as she pulls those elbows back. So this is sitting, elbow abduction, adduction, without anything, and a block and a strap.